WBRZ weather forecast with meteorologist Marissa Nuzzo.
Welcome back. Lots to talk about in the tropics. Yesterday we had two tropical storms named. First, Tropical Storm Nana down here in the Caribbean, and then Tropical Storm Omar up here in the northern Atlantic. Neither one of those expected to impact the Gulf Coast at all. Though we're also watching a couple of other things. This disturbance here that's just off, or really still inland over Africa at this time, continues to look more promising, and as it moves out over water, it's looking likely that we'll see some tropical development there. Way too early to know anything for sure, but we're definitely keeping an eye on that one. This one here still has a pretty low chance of development, and this just popped up yesterday, but we'll keep an eye on both of those. Now, let's take a closer look at these tropical storms. This is Tropical Storm Nana. Earlier this morning, it was forecast to become a Category 1 hurricane upon landfall, and now with the latest forecast no longer in the forecast, though not completely out of the question. This is going to impact areas in Central America like Honduras and Belize. Again, not going to be a problem for us here at home. This is Tropical Storm Omar. We're way out in the Atlantic. Here's the east coast of the U.S., and it's going to continue to move away from us. Those wind speeds still at 40 miles per hour, though environmental conditions are likely going to tear this storm apart in the next couple of days. Probably won't make it to the weekend. And I know lots of people are asking what's next, what are the next names? So the next names on the list are Paulette, Renee, Sally, Teddy, Vicky, and Wilfred. And I know a lot of people are also curious what happens if we run out of names. Well, then we'll transition into the Greek alphabet and start with those, and we'll see what happens from there. Outside right now, 90 degrees. Feels like 99, hot and toasty. Dew points have calmed down a little bit since this morning. Definitely still muggy out there, but a little bit better since the sun came out. Feels like temperatures are either at 100 or pretty close to it. Feels like 100 in Gonzales, 99 here in Baton Rouge, 98 out in New Roads. Satellite and radar totally clear for us. You can see a little bit of cloud cover that's in the western part of Louisiana. Unfortunately, that storm system will not be making it here, will not be helping to cool us off. Let's just let the Futurecast run. Hardly anything showing up. Little tiny dots, but I don't think that will really amount to anything. The next time I think we'll likely see some rain will be Friday afternoon, and this is the low resolution model, so it looks really widespread, but I think we'll just have some more isolated shower activity for your Friday afternoon. Now, here is the latest findings from the Climate Prediction Center. For the next 8 to 14 days, they're predicting that these areas in blue with that bullseye right over Oklahoma are going to be far below normal in terms of temperature. So our normal temperatures are usually around about 90 degrees during the day and 70 at night. So knocking us down a couple of degrees might be a sweet treat, a little introduction to fall, and we're already starting to see the beginnings of this. So making no promises, but watch this. We're at Monday afternoon. We'll watch it move through. This is a potential cold front. I don't need to tell you guys that things can change this far in the future, but it is a little bit exciting to watch the potential for a cold front bringing much cooler temperatures. This is 12:15 in the middle of the day next Wednesday, temperatures near 64. So we'll see how this cold front really plays out, but maybe fall will be here a little sooner than we know it. Got to get through today first, though. 94 degrees outside, hot and humid, and no rain to cool us off. Let's get a quick look at that 7-day forecast. 90s are in the forecast for the rest of the next 7 days, but we'll see how that cold front starts treating us come Wednesday. All right, back to news.